Hey guys, so this is another one for you. So I'm gonna help you guys to be able to translate any text into any language. So you're just going to go straight to here on Google Translate. Just search on what you do. Just go to Google Translate, and then you can translate any language into any language you want. So gonna see what we can translate here. Okay, so we're gonna go and search maybe go and search Spanish to English. Alright, so you're gonna put a Spanish text on this side, and then it's gonna give you the one you want on the right here. So let's see if we can find an article we can translate. So I'm gonna go onto Google here and say love in Spanish. See, they changed love into amor. You see? So what I can do, I can take this and copy it, and then come to Google and just paste this here. Search and see what comes out. Okay, so this one gives me this. So I just want to have a article that's gonna talk something about love in Spanish. Now, so I'm going on a Spanish website right now, so it's gonna give me something that I can translate into English. So all I'm gonna do, I'm just going to copy and paste something on this website so that you can see. Okay, let's copy this. Gonna put our text here, paste it. You see, so it's giving us exactly what this Spanish text is talking about. So it gave us love, love, darling, baby, likey, love, all that stuff in an English. So that's it, guys, about translating. So you can translate anything you want, and then you can make it on any language that you want. So please, guys, subscribe on the channel and then look on the links below. Maybe you can find something that you're interested on, that you can help you guys and make some money. And that's it, guys, for this one. So please like and subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching.